we are walking to the Oakboro Regional Museum of History. This is Brooks and his wife Jane, and this is their car out front. And what is that car again?
It's a 1959 Ford hardtop Skyliner.
Ah, that's wonderful. That's wonderful.
Hardtop convertible.
Yeah.
Skyliner, 1959.
So we're just going to walk around in here a little bit. You stay tuned this winter. We're going to have an exclusive interview.
We had this just put in the last
Yeah.
July the 4th, so that we can show stuff like this and this rotating exhibit room. This is a room that changes out about every 3 months.
Okay.
And so whatever's going on, we can put it on.
So every 3 months, this room will change out. Here's some of the history of Oakboro.
The exhibit right now is Route 66.
Route 66.
Most of the time we have Route 66 stuff on the screen, but we're having the 2 days of
Oh, okay, that's the theme right now. I got you.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
That's
The next one's going to be what? Mighty models.
Okay, mighty models.
Metal and wood models.
Wow. Well, that sounds interesting.
This is the original town. This is the town of Big Lick. Town of Big Lick, and it is the parent town of the town of Oakboro. And this is
Yeah, I'm from Mount Pleasant, and my stepdad used to tell me about Big Lick. He said that all the animals back in the day, they would all come there and lick the ground. It was a natural salt lick. Is that true?
that is true.
Huh.
That is the Big Lick right there.
That's the Big Lick. Oh yeah, all the animals are there licking on it.
And the reason they name it that is there's a small lick over here,
Oh, so there's a small lick and a big lick.
which means that you got to differentiate like junior.
Right, right. That's neat. That's so
Senior,
neat.
senior. And you said, who is your family, your Barnhart family in Mount Pleasant?
Well, the Mount Pleasant, that's my step family. My mom remarried. They're Johnsons. And my Barnhart family is my mom's sister married a Barnhart down off of Ann Street.
I got you. This right here is those pictures, a lot of those pictures in the rotating exhibit room were in fact taken with that very camera.
Which camera?
That camera, no, the wood one.
The wooden one. Wow.
A man named Will Hatley.
Will Hatley. Oh, that's really neat.
We took his pictures to they're on postcards, a lot of them. So we took them to an expert named Barry Moore, who does photo enhancement and restoration and all that.
Okay.
And he made a work of art for the wall.
So, are you related to the
This is-
Barnharts in Concord?
That's my dad right here. He was born in Mount Pleasant.
Oh, okay.
Here's my father. That's his baseball uniform right here
Oh, wow.
when he played in the 30s.
So a lot of this stuff is your collection?
No, it
of
just
things?
happens to be these things that happen. You mentioned Mount Pleasant.
Oh, okay. No, that's good. That's good.
School things over there.
This place is really interesting.
Goes on and on.
Yeah.
If you get bored, tell me. We'll go do something else. This is the only mill that is standing in all of Stanley County.
Okay.
It's the only one, the Whitley Mill.
The Whitley Mill. Yeah, I've never been in here before. This is really interesting. I like all the old collector,
This was one of the citizens of Oakboro. He had polio when he was 2 years old. He never walked.
Wow.
And he used that wheelchair his whole life.
Hmm.
He was a jeweler. Pretty good
A
life.
jeweler, okay.
Yeah, he drove around a T-model with hand brakes on it.
I like these old ashtrays. I think that's so neat.
Yeah.
I smoke cigars, and
Well, everybody smoked back then.
yeah, back then everybody smoked. Yeah, I like these. They don't make really good, high quality ashtrays. Well, they do, but it's not the same. It's not the same.
It's not.
Now everybody's against smoking. It's
not
bad for you.
Socially acceptable anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is all. Yeah, my family was from the Barnhart side, and my Eisenhammer side was from Mount Pleasant.
Okay.
In that area. This is my mom's beauty shop back here.
Oh, okay.
I had this built in. We donated a lot of money. I had all this built. Put my mom's stuff back here. That's her card up at the top. See the card? Zoom in on the card. If your hair isn't becoming to you, you should be coming to us.
Hey, that's pretty good. I like that. Wow, look at the what is that? A straightener? Or that's a curler.
Yeah, that's the actual machine down below.
Wow.
You know that right
Oh,
there.
that's what that is. Okay.
That's what. Yeah, that.
How much I know about it.
Yeah.
Well, that's neat.
They were not even using that in the 50s when I was a kid.
That looks dangerous.
It does.
It looks very
It's like
dangerous.
something out of a Frankenstein
A
movie.
Saw movie, yeah, yeah.
This stuff all come from a barn that I excavated, smokehouse that I excavated, and that is an adze. You make round logs into square logs, and it was inside that building. I can't say it was used to build that building in 1886, 66, but it was in there when I excavated it out. I emptied it out. It was a small building.
Well, if you're out and about,
Made a red hill.
come on down to the Oakboro Museum and check this place out. I'm sure there's something in here that's going to take you back a few years. Brooks, I really appreciate your time, and thank you for walking us in here.
It's a
Thank you for
pleasure.
bringing out this beautiful car. Jane, thank you so much.
That's my lovely bride. We've known each other our whole lives. We were little kids together.
Wow, that's incredible. That's
I need
incredible.
$1.
I was 3.
Here we go. Here
I
we
was-
go. We need $1.
I was 3. She was 1.5.
Wow.
We need it for change.
All right.
Prettiest girl.
All right, we're back to the cars.